At Fordham Marble, we work with you to build something that lasts a lifetime. Your vision, brought to life through world-class materials, technology, and precision craftsmanship. Kitchen countertops, backsplashes, bathroom countertops, floor tiles, bathroom wall tiles, vanities, fireplaces. In gorgeous marble, granite, quartzite, quartz, limestone, and other stone types. Our tile selection includes porcelain, ceramic, marble, mosaic, and much more. Visit our 10,000 square foot stone and tile gallery. Talk to our designers, and let's build something beautiful that will grace your home for years to come.